Hi friends, welcome back to Aney StorytimeAdventures. Okay, today craft may feel a little bit tricky, but that's the magic of learning. Every fold, every little step might challenge us, but challenges are what make us stronger and sharper. When we try something difficult, we don't just make a craft, we also trained our mind to be more creative and brave. Think about it, just like a butterfly struggles to come out of its cocoon before it can fly. We too must put in effort before we can shine. Today's Origami Star is the same. It may need patience, but in the end, it becomes something beautiful and magical. So, take a deep breath. Enjoy the folds and remember, the harder we try, the brighter our star will shine. Let's begin this adventure together.